All right, this is Steven's GoPro Karma from Missouri. See if we can't get this sun. We got your pairing issue fixed. Like I was saying in the other video, I always liked these little drones. I kind of wished it GoPro didn't give up on them. I think that they had something that could have been great. You know, obviously add some sensors and things that would allow for obstacle avoidance, but the fact that you could upgrade the camera or change out the camera was great. I think they should have added options to be able to really add the even newer cameras to it, but you know, they bowed out. And here we go. All right, Steven, let's go ahead and
3,
get your camera
2,
showing, flying.
1.
Oh, just our little landing pad. Let's try this again. Shows that I am human. All right.
Ready to fly.
There we go, Steven. Everything is back to working, and I will have your drone packed up and ready to go here shortly.